We are pleased to show you the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.